So you see this particular matter, I'm bringing this violence to everybody's doorstep. There is one thing I hate a lot.
You don't know why it's going on.
I hate the fact that you come to my studio or you call me on the phone. Hello, I want to snap picture, and when I tell you price, you now be reminding me how your phone camera is very, very powerful. And say, uncle, if your phone camera is that powerful, why didn't you use it?
It doesn't make any sense.
Why you coming to stress me? My God! If your phone camera is so good, go ahead and use it. Don't come and not be telling me, you come to my front or you not be telling me on the phone that is it not just to just snap? Why are you charging so high? My phone camera is even good. And see, uncle, if your phone camera is so good, go back and use your phone camera. And stop disturbing my life.
Hear of this.
I don't learn this work so that you go disturb my life. I learn this work so I can make money from it. If you don't want me to make money from it, then leave me alone.
And now your head correct.
Nothing pain me past when they try to remind me about your phone camera. But I'll still tell you the truth. No matter how good your phone camera is, your phone camera cannot be better than my camera. I put it to your face.
Shay.
Yes.
Help
Let your
us.
phone camera do all what my camera can do. With your phone camera that is set on auto for you to use.
God,
you think that
God,
because
why
you have that kind of phone, your phone camera is sharp, you think that's all. Then go and use it and stop disturbing me. In fact, I don't go.